Thank you for joining the build overview for eSchool Data version 10.2. Today we're going to go over some of the newly enhanced features included in this release. The first item that we're going to take a look at is a new permission. If you navigate to System Administration and Group Maintenance and select Edit for any of your existing user groups, under the module level permissions for grade reporting, you'll see a permission to reset the Teacher Connect Toolkit default. When this permission is enabled, you're going to find a new button available when updating your Teacher Connect default settings. Now we're going to take a look at the Teacher Connect Toolkit reset. If you navigate to System, Grade Reporting, and select Teacher Connect Toolkit, and select Defaults, when that new permission is enabled, you're going to see this button for resetting the Teacher Connect Toolkit default. What this option is going to do is it is going to take the defaults that are selected from every one of the Teacher Connect pages on this screen, and it is going to push this default to all of your Teacher Connect pages for every one of your teachers. This will overwrite any of the settings that your teachers may have entered and saved for their own preferences, so this is not recommended to do in the middle of the school year. We do recommend, if you would like all of your teachers to start out the school year with all of the same settings, that this is done prior to the start of school so that you ensure that you are not overwriting anything that the teachers may have saved. The next update that you will find is for our student labels. If you navigate to Reports and Label, you're going to find a new option to upload students. This is going to allow users to select a CSV file. The CSV file only needs to have the student ID number. Once uploaded, you will see the selected students available here, and then you can run your labels as you would previously. The next updates are for New York State reporting. The first update for New York State reporting is the education level associated with the parent or guardian. New additions have been added to this dropdown to meet the New York State requirement. The next additions for New York State are under the student profile. There are new fields available for a crisis and disaster code as well as the crisis name. And lastly, for New York State reporting are the additions of the PTEC statuses. Under the CTE statuses, you can add a new PTEC status. And once that status has been added, you can select Update under Program Service. You can select the code associated with the student, and then you can select the pathway for the particular PTEC status. And the final updates are for Pennsylvania State reporting. If you navigate to Scheduling Courses and select Edit for any existing course, you're going to see a new option down at the bottom for dual credit. Once that is selected, a new field is going to be enabled for the dual credit AUN. If you navigate to Academic Assessments under the exam type, you're going to see new assessments added for the PSA, ELA, Mathematics, and Science assessments. And under the Student Status Summary, you're going to find new statuses for PASA as well as the BID statuses, each containing the testing AUN for the PSA statuses, and the AUN for the bid status, plus the school number available. And lastly, under Student Discipline, when you edit any of the incident offenders, you are going to find a new field for the Foster AUN available. That concludes the updates for Release 10.2. If you would like any more information regarding the release and any of the bug fixes that were included, you can visit the Release Notes tab within the Help site for more information.